These are the elevators at the First National Bank building. I think that's what this is. In downtown Greensburg, Pennsylvania. An upside down social distancing sign on the floor. It was originally Westinghouse, but was sadly modernized by Eastern GAL. Oh yeah, that one doesn't go down, that's why. This one only goes down the basement. These are what I think these are. No, this is a different place. Used to be a card right there in the basement. Right down there's a lockout for every single floor. Interesting. Here, basement. This might be on the original motors or just on the older control of the exit. Interesting. Rattly. 7. Oh, that's a nice bell. Interior go up. I think these are the original model. Whoa! These run like old elevators, but they're definitely on newer controllers. They vibrate a lot. You're at 7? You know, that sounds like Hollister Whitney. I don't know what's up with these. It's taking a while to love it. I think this building's vacant. I don't think there's any tenants, except for the First National Bank in some areas. Very 90s looking. Yeah, there's nothing up here. It's really hot up here. I think this is the tallest building in Greensburg. Go back down to 1. Nice bells and everything. Eastern brass. Basic padded elevator. The padding does not extend up the full height. Certificate, first Commonwealth, I think it said national. I guess these were modded in 1999. Here back at 1. Maybe these are complete replacements. This is not going to be either.